Sound signals are a crucial part of maritime communication, especially under the COLREGs, or the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Understanding these signals is essential for anyone navigating the waters, whether you're on a small boat or a massive cargo ship. Let's dive into the importance of sound signals at sea. Imagine you're out on the water and visibility drops due to fog or heavy rain. You can't see other vessels, but you can hear them. This is where sound signals come into play. They help us communicate our intentions and ensure everyone stays safe, even when we can't see each other. Now, let's talk about Rule 34, which outlines the basic sound signals. If you're approaching another vessel, you might sound one short blast to indicate that you're altering your course to starboard. If you're changing course to port, you'll sound two short blasts. And if you're unsure of the other vessel's intentions, you can sound five short blasts to signal danger. These simple sounds can prevent accidents and keep everyone informed about what's happening around them. Moving on to Rule 35, which deals with restricted visibility. When you're navigating in fog or heavy rain, you need to be extra cautious. Under this rule, a power-driven vessel must sound one prolonged blast every 2 minutes. If you're sailing, you'll sound one prolonged blast followed by two short blasts. These signals alert other vessels of your presence and intentions, helping to avoid collisions in low visibility conditions. Now, let's discuss the tools used for sound signals. The most common tool is the whistle, which can be found on almost every vessel. It's simple yet effective. Larger ships may use air horns or even electronic sound signaling devices to ensure their signals carry over long distances. Regardless of the tool, the key is to make sure your signals are clear and recognizable. The importance of these sound signals cannot be overstated. They are not just rules to follow, they are vital for maritime safety. By using sound signals correctly, we can communicate effectively, avoid misunderstandings, and ultimately save lives. Every mariner has a responsibility to understand and use these signals, ensuring that we all return home safely after our time at sea. In summary, sound signals under the COLREGs are essential for safe navigation. Whether it's the basic signals of Rule 34 or the restricted visibility signals of Rule 35, knowing how to use them can make all the difference. So, the next time you're out on the water, remember the power of sound signals and how they help keep our maritime community safe.